How to set up an upsell offer after checkout in your Stan store. Hi Queens, welcome back to the School of Soul, the social series. I'm ADELINE Atlas, and today I'm going to show you how to set up an upsell offer inside your Stan store, so you can increase your sales without needing extra traffic. First, what is an upsell? An upsell is an extra offer someone sees after they buy your first product. It gives them a chance to grab something additional, while they're already in the buying mindset. Example: someone buys your $47 mini course. Immediately after checkout, they see an upsell for a $27 workbook that complements the course. They click once and add it to their purchase. No extra checkout, no extra friction. Upsells are powerful because they increase your average order size, help you make more without needing more followers or ads, serve your customer deeper by offering more value. Here's exactly how to set it up. Step 1. Go to your offer settings. In your Stan dashboard, find the offer you want to attach an upsell to. Click on it to edit. Step 2. Click Add Upsell. Inside the offer settings, you'll see an option that says Add Upsell. Click it. Step 3. Choose the product you want to upsell. Stan will show you a list of your existing products. Pick one that complements the first purchase, something that logically makes sense to add on. Example: bought the mini course? Upsell the workbook. Bought the freebie bundle? Upsell a paid masterclass. Make it feel like a natural next step. Step 4. Write a strong upsell headline. You get to customize the message buyers will see after they pay. Example: upsell headlines. Wait. Special one-time offer. Complete your toolkit for $27. Want to go even deeper? Add this VIP resource instantly. Keep it short, clear, and exciting. Step 5. Set the upsell price. Usually, upsells are lower priced than the main offer, something they can say yes to quickly without overthinking. Ideal upsell pricing, earn $17 to $77 range depending on the offer. Step 6. Save and test. Save your upsell settings. Preview the flow to make sure. The upsell pops up after checkout. It looks clean. The Add to Cart button works smoothly. Now your upsell is live. Every time someone buys your original offer, they'll immediately be shown the extra option, boosting your sales automatically without extra work. Quick tip: not every buyer will take the upsell, and that's okay. Even if just 20% of your buyers accept the upsell, that's a major boost in income over time without any extra marketing.